Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to remove and install new battery on Yamaha XT250. We have this one and it's been sitting for a long time. Battery will need to be replaced. Stay with us, guys, we'll show you how to do that now. It's dead all the way, doesn't do anything. So turn the key off is important thing. So now we're going to need an Allen wrench, okay, this one here, 5mm Allen wrench, and we'll need to remove that screw there. And we'll just pull that plastic panel out. If you want to remove the seat to have more room, you can do that as well, but you don't have to. There is only 2 bolts underneath, okay, with a 10mm. So we remove that bolt, and now there is a rubber bushing holding there, okay, and you're going to pull it in an angle, okay, like that. Now, in order to remove it, guys, you can see we'll need a Phillips screwdriver there. Okay, so we can disconnect the wire. Okay, we remove that one now. Make sure you keep the bolt. And we have one more here. Okay, perfect. Next, what we'll need to do, that strap right here, we'll need to disconnect it, pull down on it, get it out of the hook, and now, guys, you can go ahead and pull the battery out. Okay, like that. And you can see this is the battery. One important thing that we lost right now, that nut here, so be very careful with that, because if you lose it you cannot get the cable tight. Alright, guys, some new ones come already filled, pre-charged. Some you have to do it, but you have to follow the manuals. All of them are different. So now we're going to get it in. Okay, those pieces. Okay, we have new ones here now. We're going to install them when we get the battery in. Okay, just one clamp there that's holding now. Okay. And it went in, just like that. Go ahead, install the strap again. If you want, you can remove the seat and it will come out easier. Now, we need to make sure you get that thing, okay, behind it there, like that, and one on this side as well. Stay with us to see what else you need to do, guys. So we're just going to connect the cables now. Okay, get them tight. We're going to install the little seals. So now we're going to use battery corrosion preventative. This is really good spray, like 99 cents at the parts store or Amazon. You can get those too. Sometimes they're a $1 depending, or $2 depending on the quantity, and you spray the clamps. That way you will not have any corrosion from moisture, especially if you drive it on dirt roads. And now we can go ahead, install the panel. Make sure it goes there in the back. Okay, then under the seat, and press the rubber bushing in until it locks. All we got left, install the bolt now, and let's give it a try and see if it's going to start actually now. Fired right up. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.